Today's plant is Hibiscus tricolor. The Hibiscus tricolor is associated with theme of growth, vitality, and positivity. Its vibrant colors and lush foliage are said to echo feng shui principles, which believe that color can influence energy and emotion. In spiritual circles, the tricolor can be woven into practices that celebrate life and energy. The hibiscus tricolor is a shrub that grows three varieties of flowers in one pot, creating a single bush with three different flowers color. In the summer, the stems are covered with abundance of pink, white, and blue flowers, each with contrasting wine red blotch in the center. Charm, aesthetic, and artistic benefits of tricolor hibiscus. A splash of color. The tricolor foliage of hibiscus isn't just greenery. It's a living kaleidoscope with leaves that blend green, pink, and cream. It's natural spotlight in any garden design. Art and crafts, inspirations. This plant doesn't just grow. It inspires local artisans. See it as a muse. Its vibrant hues and texture fueling creativity from canvas to craft. Whether it's eco-fashion or home decor, the tricolor is a staple in the artist's palette. Nature's pharmacy, health, and medicinal benefits of hibiscus tricolor. Traditional remedies. Hibiscus tricolor has long been a staple in folk medicine, revered for its healing prowess. Its use spans various cultures, each with their own ethnobotanical practices. Modern wellness. Today, the plant's potential is being eyed by modern science. Active compounds within may hold keys to new wellness therapies. Note: always consult a healthcare provider before trying a new herbal medicine. Natural protector. The tricolor isn't just pretty, it's tough. Its roots dig deep, holding soil in place and preventing erosion on coastlines where waves and wind conspire to wash land away. Its natural guardian, bolstering our shores against the elements and safeguarding habitats for future generations. Tricolor hibiscus grown as an ornamental throughout the tropics. Tricolor makes a wonderful, bushy indoor container plant, capable of reaching 15 feet or more. Tricolor is easily trimmed to keep well groomed. The flowers are large and showy, but usually only last for a day, starting out yellow in the daytime and turn deep red in the evening. These are very healthy plants with very established root systems. Sun-kissed, maximizing sunlight for spectacular blooms. Right amount, right time. Your hibiscus tricolor is a sun worshipper. It craves about 6 hours of full sun daily to produce those show-stopping flowers. But not just any light will do. It's the intensity and duration that count. Too little sun, and you're out of luck with blooms. Too much, you might well wave goodbye to plant health. Sunlight and seasonality. As a season shift, so should your hibiscus sunbathing schedule. In the summer, protect it from sun, wrap with some strategic shade. Come winter, every ray counts. So make sure your plant gets all the light it can remember. It's about adjusting exposure to keep the blooms coming regardless of the earth's tilt. The hibiscus tricolor plant can be a good fit for feng shui because of its vibrant colors and lush foliage. which are said to promote an environment of positivity and love. Here are some feng shui tips for hibiscus plant. In placement, place the plant in the east direction to invite positive energy into your home. For wealth and prosperity, place it in the south. You can also place it near sitting areas to encourage positive energy flow. Color. Color is believed to influence emotion and energy in feng shui. Yellow hibiscus is associated with good luck, happiness, and sunshine, while red hibiscus symbolizes love and passion. Maintenance. To promote flowering, provide your hibiscus with 6 hours of full sun each day, a balanced NPK fertilizer, and prune it early spring. Dead plants. According to feng shui, dead plants bring negative vibes, so it's important to care for your plants. To get the full benefit of feng shui, you can also create a positive, clutter-free space and include all 5 natural elements. Propagation. To propagate, sterilize shears and snip just below a leaf node at a 45-degree angle. Strip the lower leaves to expose the nodes. Toxicity. Not toxic to humans if accidentally ingested. Call poison control or get medical help. They said, no, hibiscus tricolor, also known as sea hibiscus, is not poisonous to human or pets. Humans. There is no scientific evidence that hibiscus tricolor is harmful to humans. For dogs. There are no significant toxicity concerns for dogs eating hibiscus tricolor. Cats. Hibiscus tricolor may not be toxic to cats, but it's still not a cat snack. While hibiscus tricolor is generally non-toxic, it's still a good idea to keep it away from small children and pets. You can keep plants out of reach by placing them on high shelves or hanging baskets, so you can also use a citrus-based spray to repel cats. Hibiscus tricolor is a perennial shrub or trees that can grow up to 6 meters tall. It's native to Africa, Asia, Central America, and South America. Hope you're liking my videos. For more videos, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you so much.